Hello, my name is Ricky. I'm going to do a uh, presentation on my social network API. A couple things is going to be a little different. Instead of a post, I will do a put and on the couple items, and also uh, I believe one the reaction put is not working. But anyhow, let's get started. So let's you see all the users here, and if I want to update. Uh, if I want to add a friend and a thought to a user, I can say, let me grab uh, the C3, 3C3 user ID, and that's going to be the user. And then let me add a friend to the user. Uh, I actually already added this, so let's go to C4. Uh, so it's 3C4, and that's the user. I'm gonna add 3C5. That's going to be my friend, and then I'm also add this specific thought to 3C4. I'm gonna run this. So you see 3C4 has a friend of 3C5 and has those thoughts. So here you can run here, and I can scroll down at 3C4. You see it has a friend of 3C5, and its thoughts is the 3D6. Then you see the friend count is 1 now instead of 0 as well. Let's go ahead and do a post. I'm going to post a new user with their email, which is required, and a thought text. So let's run that. And you see that that has been updated. So if I run here, I'll scroll all the way down to the bottom because usually it goes to the bottom. You see the new user, the ID, and then if I want to remove this person, I can do a delete on that person. And then when I go back to seeing all users, I can scroll all the way back down, and hold on a second. You know what? I think I put this in here twice. So let me do a delete of this person. I think this was in here twice. Yeah, so you see the ID is different. So that's why you see new user right there. And now that I go here, go back, scroll all the way down, and you see new user is gone. So I had new user in there twice. Uh, my put for reaction is not working. Um, and if you can see here, when I am attempting to do a put, you see you see the reaction body. It's coming through just fine and the user ID, but for some reason it's not working properly. So uh, next thing I have is my thoughts. So if I already showed you that I could do a post for my thoughts. Uh, let me and now let's do a update to the thoughts. So here, instead of clicking app, Oh, actually, I need to grab the username. So let's go to the first one. Let's grab the username. And my thought text now for this user would be cooking app with oil. And you see that username and the thought text. And if I want to delete, uh, here is just updating a user ID, a friend with additional with updated information. So we have the username of a_a_bdul aziz, and I will update that friend with the 2. Hold on, with the 3. I may have already updated it in my 23. So here, that's been updated. And I'm not able to delete a friend of a user. That's something that I've been working on. If you can see here, um, I follow the model to do that. If I want to delete a friend, um, let me go to the user controller. So here you see that I have a user. So I'm saying let's go to the user table, find that user ID, and let's pull that um, ID from the parameters of friends. And if you see my model here of user, this is my array. So I'm not 100% sure why that's not working when I I attempt to do this deletion of deletion of a friend of a user friend. So my goal was to say, hey, remove this person from this user ID, and I had an issue with that. So that's it. I mean, I could go through the code, but I will post the code if you want to go through more details of the code. The models, the user, the controls. I have my thought controller, my user controller. Um, and I think that's about it. Thank you. Have a good day.